Ah! Hi, hello.
Going on a trip in our favorite rocket. Oh my god. Your boobs out. Your boobs out.
Oh my god. Hello guys. It's Sunday.
It's Sunday fun day.
It's Sunday fun day. And we are on our way to, well, not right now, but we're going to the beach. I hope that we're going to Fort Clarence, but I really don't know. I think we might go to Boardwalk.
Really don't care.
Well, I don't really care. It's gonna be either Boardwalk or stop. Or where else you guys said you wanted to go?
Fort Clarence. Waves.
Waves. So it's gonna be Boardwalk or Waves Beach that we're gonna go. But we're stopping to get coconuts.
Cold.
We said that's it. Are you guys twins?
Twins.
Twinsies.
The girls are pumping. Thanks today.
Natural hair gang. You know I was gonna wear my hair down, but then I figured the breeze would make it look crazy.
No, but that's the whole point.
I know, but I don't like when I go beach and my hair look mad
shit.
the breeze just up. But
I'll drink this one, but for the rest of them, just trim it all the way down so I can just poke it.
Yeah. Yeah, I never want my hair to look mad, you know? So I do a thing.
Wow.
What do I think?
You guys are gonna...
Yes, like here.
Is it tea?
Ooh. Watermelons, not watermelons, but you know what I mean. Coconuts.
Coconut.
Yes,
Where are we going?
back home. We forgot stuff. We need stuff. We need towels. We need things.
Yeah, so we're going back to my house. Oh my god, don't say that. Be positive. So we're going back to my house to get stuff.
Because we're
We left
never
stuff.
organized.
Where's the car? Oh, I see it. Yeah, and all the beach them closed except, what that name? Waves?
Waves.
Except Waves, and it's kind of full, but we got a little spot.
We'll put two big old rocks
So-
down right here. So when we come back, we'll just move.
So we're gonna... So, oop, they're gonna take a spot right now. But then park good over there, so don't.
I'm gonna put this in a trunk. It's just another way.
What that? Guys, we're back at the wholesale again. So I came to look for slippers for the beach. And I found these. And I really like them. These are like $500. But I'm like, should I get this one? Or the pink one? Or the white one? Cabell! Look at this. Cab! I like the orange one them though. Which one I get? That?
I was thinking of either this or not this.
A water gun?
Ashley,
Eh? Did I get that?
this or this?
Let me see that one there. No, all still are nice enough. I like it. Which one you like better? I feel like I like this better. That was Supreme vibe, like a knockoff Supreme vibe.
Oh yeah, this is
Water gun?
We're gonna play waterwork, guys.
I'm dead. How much for that?
$100.
I like that slippers here. I think I can buy it at $500 feet. And then have orange.
And this one could be the part
How
four.
much for them?
$500.
That one coming now?
Which one? But me not cash. You have cash for you to reach them out?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one you want? I like the orange.
pink.
The pink? But which size this? I'm dead at us buying these $500 slippers. All this.
And the water guns.
And the water gun. Come try it on. This one look bigger though. Or not really.
Yeah, big.
It big?
Yeah.
Too big? Would that look like? Really?
Yeah, the one you already fixed.
Which size is that though? I don't even know. This look bigger. Yeah, this bigger. Oops. This is definitely bigger.
I mean, I can work with it still.
Yeah, I think so. When I get this though, I'm ready to work at the beach. I'll be like, guys, new things. Because that's supposed to not do it. Ignore my foot, guys. That's sand. No, I'm gonna show you downstairs. I'm gonna show you downstairs. I know you're gonna like buy things. Where I look for swim trunks? This nice, eh?
I'm gonna need one for waxing.
One of those? Oh, for you. I like the orange one here. The orange. Getting slippers and water guns. Have a look.
How much? Oh, we should get one.
$350.
$350.
This is our section, girl. This is our section. Is that enough for us?
Let's get two and done.
Beach, and I got Bottega in the fridge. I have Bottega in the fridge. I have Bottega in the fridge. Kevin, show your hand. Show your hand. This is all that we got. Throw them in the trunk. Woo!
Look at that.
Chinese store shopping.
You need extra for your door, like you know something.
Alex?
Oh, and then she can't drive.
Who, Cabell? Yeah. Cabell is afraid to drive, so Cabell is the person that I would want to drive that person.
Hot bottles.
Look at the sun. Hi. Oh my god. This is not cold.
Oh, it's cold!
It's warm. It's not cold at all.
Cold!
It's rough too.
Ito naman, I wanna look at that.
See the maker.
Woo!
Jesus. Yes, Lord.
Why do I feel so strong?
It's rough.
Oh my god, sorry.
Why are you so extra, girl?
Extra.
Extra.
Beat that out.
No.
PG friendly.
Look at the good lights. Oh my god, and it looks so good.
Oh, look at
Pose
it.
beaches.
Hey guys.
You guys look so good.
My new name is Guani
I wish I had somebody to take a picture to use it for the thumbnail.